Before you begin, remove the base enclosure. Removal. Disconnect the battery cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the three 4mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left system board bracket to the system board. Lift the left system board bracket off of the alignment pins on the system board and remove. Disconnect the power connector cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the power connector cable from the routing channel on the top cover. Carefully remove the power connector from the adhesive that secures it to the top cover. Remove the power connector cable. Reverse this procedure to install the power connector cable.